This new Amazon 3D tool isn't just cool, it improves credibility, conversion rate, and sales. And here is a page on it. It used to only be for certain products, but now almost every product can have a 3D model. And here's an example where a customer goes through their phone and then they can try on shoes that they don't actually even have, which is very awesome. Showcase products in the room and view the items in 3D, which is going to definitely click and help with improved conversions. And it says ready to get started, and it actually gives you a step-by-step guide. How much does it cost? It's free. How do customers view it? On their cell phone, they can see it. So not on desktop. On desktop, it does not work, but it does work on your cell phone. So what you're going to do is just go into your image manager on Amazon. So to get here, you're just going to click here, catalog, upload images, click on one of your items, click on 3D models, and there you go. It's going to tell you what your product is allowed and not allowed to list. So this one we can view in 3D or view in your room. Now, there is no virtual try-on because this is not a clothing brand. But what you can do is find a creator, scan your product on your own cell phone, and then upload a 3D model. So if you know how to 3D design yourself or you hire somebody, you can upload it yourself or you can scan it on your cell phone. It's not going to be perfect, but something is better than nothing on here. And if we go out of here, what we can also see is Amazon's information on if this is actually going to increase sales. So they do have data. It is old data, but just from looking at this, it says 8x increase in customers who viewed a product in AR at Amazon from 2018 to 2022. So if somebody actually clicks on your item and views the 3D image, they're 8 times more likely pretty much to purchase from you. So just having that on your listing will help. 2x improvement in purchase conversions observed on average in 2022 when customers click on AR virtual try-on or view in 3D buttons for enabled product listings. Again, so 2x, that's pretty much double, very nice. 94% of customers surveyed by Amazon said they would use virtual try-on. 9% in improvement in sales observed on average when viewing your room is enabled. So pretty much of course, there's no guarantee that's what they're saying, but pretty much there most likely is going to be an increase in sales, right? Maybe not directly in sales, but in conversion. Once somebody clicks on your listing, that's your time to get them to buy. So this tool could help. And it is nice that they also offer mobile 3D scanning. So you might as well test this out to see how it works. If not, you could hire somebody that knows 3D scanning. Our team is working on this as of right now, and that's it pretty much. But if you did need help and your listing's not generating sales, you can just simply go to the link below, get a free listing audit. Our team of experts will do a full listing audit, look at all of your top competitors, how much they're making per month, and then just give you a breakdown on things that you can implement. Maybe you don't want to implement 3D images right now, you don't want to spend the time, but we can give you some other information that's going to help you boost your sales. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you want to see more Amazon videos like this. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, implementing 3D images, or anything regarding Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full account management. Manage your inventory, ads, design, and increase your sales. So that way you can focus on growing your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.